downloaded an image from the web, but it's in WebP format instead of JPG? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you 3 free ways to convert WebP images to JPG in just a few seconds without paying for any software. Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper. If you enjoy quick Windows and AI tutorials, subscribe for more helpful tips. Let's convert your WebP image into JPG. What is WebP? Sometimes websites save images in the WebP format because the files are smaller and load faster. But some apps, websites or printers still prefer JPG images. Let's convert it. The easiest built-in method is Microsoft Paint. Open your WebP image in Paint. So what you will do, simply select, then right click on it and open with Paint. So here we are going to zoom out this image so we get the perfect idea about it. Okay, so now we are going to convert this image as a JPG. Okay, so simply click on this file tab, then choose save as, and here you will get JPG option. Okay, you simply click on it and save this image. So no need extra software required, and my image is converted into JPG. So here you can see that this image is converted into JPG file, and this is the WebP format. Okay, here you can see the WebP format. Second method, Microsoft Photos. Depending on your version of Windows 11, the Photos app may also let you save the image as a JPG. If you see the option, it's another quick and easy method. Simply right click on it and then open with Photos. Now click on this three dot here and then click on Save As. And now select the location where you want to save this image. If Paint doesn't meet your needs, you can also use a free online converter. You can upload your WebP files and select JPG and convert your image. Now I'm going to share with you how you can do that. So first thing first, we are going to open web browser, and here we are going to search WebP to JPG. The second one is the most useful website for convert WebP to JPG. So here you can upload bulk images, and after that it will convert your all WebP images to JPG. You simply select, and now we are going to open the folder. Here we are going to select that image which we want to convert as a JPG. You simply click on this red button convert and it will convert automatically. Now one by one download this image. So friend, you can see that this is my WebP image and this is converted into JPG. These all the images are converted into WebP to JPG option. That's it, how you can convert WebP images to JPG for free. Which method did you use? Let me know in the comment section. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up, subscribe to Hello Helper, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.